So our latest development is the Immersive Bridge, which is a software feature or a software application that we have developed on the basis of the OpenXR plugin. Because we have seen that increasingly people are using these head-mounted displays, and so there's been a lot of development already been going on in this area. So we have decided to use this technology because basically, based on this OpenXR plugin, we can also get a nice stereoscopic picture out for the 3D PluraView, and what is more important, our stereo mouse cursor. So we can force applications that do not yet have a stereo mouse cursor to accept our stereo mouse cursor. I would like to show it to you in a nice application that is Autodesk Red. They have already a nice stereoscopic implementation for a screen like the PluraView or for a big screen. So here it's not about 3D stereo, but really about the mouse feature. And I can show you maybe this on a screen in 2D because our camera is not a stereoscopic camera. So it works. Here's our plugin, Schneider, and now we have this red. And normally you could have here also in visualization a native stereo, actually many nice stereo capabilities. But when I'm here in this model, you see that my cursor is only hovering on the level 0, so I cannot really know when I'm actually on the car or at the car or on top of the car. Now we have loaded this into our plugin, and now you see all of a sudden we have a nice stereo mouse cursor. Maybe here we can see it better on these wheels, because here you can see that now I'm actually inside the wheel, I'm behind the wheel. So my stereoscopic cursor knows always where my Z-axis information is at. So this is why this cursor can actually also go under this car here. Now I'm on top and now I'm under. Yeah. So this is, in our opinion, a very, very cool feature.